A few months ago, I was just like everyone else. My name is 𝗫𝗂𝘂𝗧, and like most people, I was working hard every single day. But deep inside, I knew something was missing. I was putting in the effort, but not getting the results I truly deserved. I felt stuck. Same routine, same struggle, no real freedom. Then one day, everything changed. I found something different, something smarter, something built for the future. 𝗪𝗂𝘂𝗪 Club, a platform where AI meets real opportunity, where ordinary people are building extraordinary lives. This is not just about making money. This is about taking control of your time, your income, your future. Today, I'm not just working. I'm building something bigger than myself, a global community, people from around the world, growing, earning, and winning together. And the best part, this is just the beginning. Because success is not about luck. It's about the decision you make when opportunity shows up. So the question is simple. Are you ready to close the gap with 𝗪𝗂𝘂𝗪 Club?